everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. Today I will be making decor using these Dollar Tree items. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up. And now let's craft. Starting with my first project, I'm going to use 4 of these square decor pieces. I removed the bead hangers and the little staples. So before I glue these together, I'm going to just lay them side by side, and then I am going to use this welcome sign that I got from Walmart. Now this is smaller than my sign, but that is okay. I'm only using this as a stencil. So now I'm using the Dollar Tree vinyl, and I'm going to just place it along the decor pieces. And I'm going to flip it around because behind this it is like paper. So I am going to trace the word welcome. And this is how it looks. Now I did forget to do the little circles inside the E and the O. So I went back and did that. But because this is smaller, I am going to just make the W bigger and the E stand aligned to it. Hopefully it made sense, but this is what I made. And then I just use the small scissors and cut this. So now before I add the vinyl, I'm going to glue these together, and I'm going to just flip them around because I'm going to add some popsicle sticks on the back. Honestly, now that I look at the video and I'm seeing how the welcome looks, I think I should have just used a black vinyl instead. But because I did want to do the reversible stencil with this, that's why I use this color vinyl. So now I'm going to just peel the back of the vinyl and place the welcome sign like a sticker. And this is how it looks. Honestly, you can just leave it like this. Even you can use the black vinyl like I said and just leave it like that. But I wanted to do the reversible stencil, and honestly this didn't work. You'll see in just a minute. I don't know if it's because it's stained that it bled through a lot, or the vinyl wasn't good, it didn't stick really good. I don't know. Either way, I still managed to fix this by going over it with some white paint. And this is how it looks. Now all I did was add a sawtooth hook on the back. But that is it. Look how beautiful this welcome sign turned out. For my next project, I'm using 2 of these. As you can see, these are a different shape. Now I'm going to stain one of the stripes on each of them, and I am using this ebony stain. I will be using a towel to remove some of the extra stain. Now I did kind of messed it up on the sides, as you can see, but I do end up cleaning that. So these are going to turn into sconces, and for the little planter things, I'm using these pineapples, which I am going to remove this part. I will be using the same stain to stain both of these little boxes. Once everything's dry, I will be gluing the little boxes. So now you can use the wood piece either vertical or horizontal. So I did try them both. I glued them horizontal and vertical. And honestly, I like how it looked vertical more than it did horizontal. So that is why I removed the beads, because I just used it vertical instead. Using some of this Dollar Tree greenery, I'm going to add them to my little planters. I did use some strings to add a little hook on the back. But that is it for this sconces. Look how beautiful they turned out. For my next project, I'm going to make a sign so it can go in between the sconces. I am using one of the square decor signs. I removed the little hanger, and then I used the same stain to stain the entire thing. So you can honestly add whatever you like to this. I had these wood fall decor pieces that I had from Hobby Lobby. I just glued the word thankful, grateful, and blessed on this, and that was it. Look how beautiful this turned out. For my next project, I'm using another of the square signs. I removed the hanger, and then I used one of these Dollar Tree water toys, or one of these outdoor toys. I used two of them. I did remove the little string and the ball, and then I used some spray paint to paint these black. Once they were dried, I turned the wood piece around and glued these on the back. Now I did use a combination of hot glue and E6000. And that's it for this cute little table or plant stand. And that is it for today. I really hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite, because I would love to know. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, bye.